Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is my first day of 30 days English practice challenge and I am really excited and honestly a little bit nervous too. I have decided that for the next 30 days I will practice English every single day in front of you. No excuses, no hiding, no overthinking. Just practice, improvement, and consistency. The reason I'm starting this challenge is simple. I want to become fluent in English. I want to speak confidently. I want to express my thought clearly, without fear, without hesitation, and without feeling judged. Maybe my grammar is not perfect. Maybe my pronunciation is not perfect. Maybe sometimes I will make mistakes. But you know what? That's okay because this challenge is not about perfection, it's about progress. For a long time, I used to feel shy while speaking English. I would think, what if I make mistakes? Or what will people think? But when I realized, sometimes very important, we can't improve if we don't practice. Fluency does not come from thinking, fluency comes from speaking. So from today, I'm choosing courage over fear. In these 30 days, I will try different things. Some days I will talk about daily life topics. Some days I will read paragraphs and improve my pronunciation. Some days I will learn new vocabulary and some days I will just speak front of my heart. The goal is simple to become better than yesterday. If if you are also someone who want to improve your English, I invite you to join me in this challenge. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to start even if you speak for 2 minutes daily. Even if you make 10 mistakes, even if your voice shakes, just speak because confidence is built step by step. I also want to say something important. This channel is safe space. Here we are not afraid of mistakes. We learn from them, we grow from them, and we support each other. I believe that English is not just a language, it is a tool to express ourselves, to connect with people, to share stories, and to create opportunities. And I want to use this tool confidently. So today is day 1. I don't know how my English will sound on day 30, but I promise you one thing, it will be better than today. If you are watching this video, comment below and tell me why you want to improve your English. Let's motivate each other, and if you want to grow with me in this 30-day journey, don't forget to subscribe and support this challenge. Let's begin this journey together. See you tomorrow for day to day. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye. Take care.